YouTube channel, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video we are going to be making Pina Colada. I went out a few days ago and I've been craving some Pina Colada. It took me back to Puerto Rico. It was not the best, but it was getting there. So I'm going to recreate one at home so that I can feel like I am somewhere on the beach with the sunset and the sand and my feet in the sand, because it's starting to get cold in Minnesota. So this is how I'm going to close the summer. Let's get started. What do we need for this colada? So you're going to need the following ingredients. I am going to tell you what I'm using because I didn't find the cream of coconut, so I'm going to substitute that. We are going to start with, of course, you want some coconut water. You can either get this version or freshly cut or broken coconut water. That's what we're going to use, so we're gonna see. I just took this in case the coconut doesn't come out good. I doubt, but we're going to use that. Since I don't have the cream of coconut, I'm going to be removing some of the flesh of the coconut and mix it with condensed milk, so that will give us that cream of coconut texture or taste. You also need some pineapple juice. I do have here pineapple juice in can, and of course I like my pineapple fresh. If you know me, you know how much I love pineapple, so I need to have some fresh pineapple. So of course you're going to also need some ice. I'm not going to be showing you the ice now, and since we are making a virgin pina colada, I am not putting alcohol, but stay to the end to see what I'm going to be making to mix it a little bit. Let's get started. Check out the description box for portions or quantities of these ingredients. So let's start by breaking our coconut and see what we can get out of it. So I went ahead and cut my pineapple. I am not using frozen pineapples because I'm going to be using the ice. If you like to just freeze your pineapple, you can go ahead and do that. I like it fresh and I can use ice. If I had this frozen, I wouldn't have added ice. So we are going to be doing 4 ounces of that. Almost there. Fresh pineapple. I love pineapple. So I'm not going to measure the pineapple. I'm just going to put as much as I want. But you should check the description below to see the quantity of pineapple you should be adding. This is almost a whole pineapple I added. So remember, we do not have the cream of coconut, therefore I'm going to be adding actually real coconut flesh. So I'm going to put the whole, well, not the whole coconut, about half coconut flesh. So we're going to put that in, and obviously condensed milk, and then we're going to add our ice and we'll be ready to blend it. So that is the plan. Let's add our condensed milk. Don't put too much. That's good. Time to add the ice. So for ice, you're gonna put 2 cups of ice. Oops. Let's go with puree. This video is sponsored by KYGMW. They sent me this product to review for you. They specialize in home decor, so I have this product that I'm going to review. I am going to use my Temu cutter for that. Look how beautiful that is. You already know what is in there. This is so antique. I love the idea. Oh, it's a big piece. It's a big piece. Oh, it feels plasticky, but oh wait, feel plasticky, but it's not necessarily plasticky. I like the color. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look how shiny that is. Here is ouch! Look how cute that is. So it doesn't come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna have to figure this out and see how it works. According to these, it just goes right there. Perfect. I think it goes this way. Just like that, and the phone is just gonna hang here. I have an entrance here, so I'm guessing this goes there, but how does it go in there though? Oh, there. What? Wait, it has this opening here. I'm gonna try to open to see what is in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, so you can actually have this on like your dresser, and you can put some jewelry pieces here, and it's beautiful. I think I'm gonna have this in my guest room. Probably put it on my nightstand in the guest room. I like it. I like the gold. I like the design. Oh, you know what I just realized? It says love. Love. Beautiful. I wish it sang. I wish when you turn this, it will come back and it will like make a noise, but it doesn't, I guess. So here's this product. A very quick review that I wanted to share with you all. Thank you KYGMW for sending me this product. I actually really like it. I'm just going to clean it a little bit to move a little bit of some of the dust and my prints on it, and I will put this in my guest room. Check out their website in my description box, and I'm also going to probably be doing a reel on how I decorate my guest room with this product, so make sure to also follow me on Instagram so you can see this. Let's continue with the video. Wait. What? I just realized when you do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is perfect. So when you lift up to ring, to call, whatever, it sings. And as it turns, you can hear, it sounds like a cassette. You can hear like shh, how it's going. Wow, now I'm really even more in love with this product. What? No way, I did not know. How slow can I be? It tells you right here, literally, that you turn this, and then when you lift up, it's gonna sing. I did not even think about it. Well. Thank you so much for sending this product to me. I'm really going to enjoy this. Let's continue with the video. Let's sing. Our Pina Colada is ready. We are going to put that in here. Put it in the freezer a little bit while we set up the garnishing. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Ready to be served. Time to serve our Pina Colada. Ready? Oh, look at how creamy that is. It's beautiful. Yes, I know that's a lot. I know that's a lot, but can never have more. Enough. So just gonna garnish that just a little bit. Well, that went in. It shouldn't be going in, but there you go. And what I'm gonna do is, in my empty pineapple bowl, I'm gonna put the rest of this and add some alcohol in it. We're gonna add some alcohol. So ideally you should be using rum. Since I don't have just rum, I have here rum and coffee liquor. So I'm gonna be using this. I actually like this. The taste of it is so good. So I'm gonna pour some of it in here and we're gonna add some alcohol. It's gonna be something. I'm looking forward to this. So I'm just gonna open my alcohol beverage. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Don't do too much, Chanel. Don't do too much. So I'm gonna stir that a little bit. I'm gonna give you a taste. So who is ready for this? Because ooh, let me give it a taste. The coffee gives you a different taste for sure. It's creamy, it's cold. I can taste a little bit of the pineapple, the blended pineapple in, and the coconut, so I love it. I love it because everything is raw. Everything is raw. So that's all we got. Make sure you try this at home. You are going to love it. If you like the version 1, you have it here. If you want to bring it a little bit of like that kick of alcohol, add a little bit of rum. You don't have to add as much as I did, but try it. You're gonna love it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. If you don't want to make it the way I made it, you can always do the very original version, which uses like the cream of coconut or the cream of coconut and like the pineapple juice from the can. I'm really a big fan. So we use everything raw today and I'm so excited. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not done yet so, and also make sure to check out the description box for all the ingredients and the quantities to be used. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you come back for another video. If you've never had a if you never had a pina colada, let me know in the comment section if you would like to try it. You can start with the version of this, or you can go straight in and try it the way you should. Like me, make sure to share this and click that like button if you like this video. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.